When you create objects and start to move them around, you'll notice that some objects will be on top of others. This is known as its stacking order, or also its arrangement. You can adjust which objects are on top of one another by adjusting the arrangement that they're in. In order to do this, we'll have to select an object. Let's take our green square. You'll know it's selected because it has the outline bounding box. Then we'll go up to our menu bar and click on Object and go down to Arrange. This will give us a pop-out menu with several different options. What we can do with this object is we can either send it to the back, which will, in other words, will send it to the very bottom of our stacking order. We can send it backwards just once, or we can move it forward, or move it to the very front of our screen. Let's go ahead and send it all the way to the back. Notice now that our green square is on top of the circle. So when I send it to the back, it's now behind everything that's on here. If I wanted to bring it all the way to the front and have it clearly visible on top of everything, I can go to Object and Arrange and then bring it to the front. And now it's on top of all of the objects. If I just wanted to step it back and put it behind one object or another, that's what the arrange, bring forward, or bring backward is. Think of it in terms of moving something towards you or moving away from you. So if I was to send it backwards, first it would be behind the triangle but still in front of the circle. And if I was to do it again, to send it backwards, it'll be behind everything. So pay close attention to what stacking order you have everything in. The second thing to notice, in order to work very quickly, is that these have some keyboard shortcuts. If you wanted to bring an object straight to the front, you can hold down your Shift key, your Command key, and then the close bracket, which is located just below the plus sign on your keyboard. So let's try some of these out. If I wanted to send the triangle backwards, I can hit the Command key and the open bracket sign. So I'm going to start sending this backwards. I've got my triangle selected, Command key, close bracket, sends it once behind the circle and again behind the square. If I wanted to bring it to the front, I'm holding down my Shift key, Command key, and then the close bracket brings it all the way to front in one click.